Hello everyone, today's gonna be a great day. And do you know why?
We are renting a car.
Because we just rented a car and Ati left us for West Palm Beach and we're here, all four of us, in Orlando. So we now have our own car. And here it is. Mas hotel.
Oh, bagay na man na siya diha.
Ay man ang GPS pa ito.
So we're at Dunkin' Donuts now to make ourselves feel better. And we eat our feelings. We just got done shopping and now we're at the resort's pool. It's pretty cool here, it's pretty big. There are waterfalls and thing is, it's just a little too crowded. I don't like going in crowded pools, but this is what it looks like. Very nice. Mom and Dad are behind me. This resort that we're staying at has its own grocery store. I'm gonna check it out. Pila?
6.50.
Wala kay lamig.
Today is just a lazy day, I guess. Just chilling. Mom and Dad over there.
Yung pas doon. Murag bayan na magkamakay na aman day frame sa kananan.
Oh.
Oh, kubalay bitaw ni.
Sorry you have to see all of this, but guess we didn't do much today. Plans got canceled and it's okay. I edited one vlog, so link to that in the description box. But yeah, tomorrow is a really good day though. It's gonna be the Animal Kingdom, which is like a lot of things to do. So thank you for watching and have a good whatever.
We'll run to the future.